Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and I want to show you this Vantech Conduit Carrier we have installed on our H1 ladder rack from Vantech as well. This is an easy upgrade for carrying your conduit, your pipes, whatever it is that you need to carry on the roof. You can see here we have the 2 to 4 compartment aluminum conduit carrier from Vantech. This is actually a 4-piece kit that is shipped to you that includes everything that you need for your conduit carry. So there's actually 4 pieces to create the tube, then you're gonna have your 2 end caps, and then all the material and hardware that you need to attach it to the ladder rack. There's a couple of different mounting configuration options. You can get the 2x1 inch kit that is used for attaching to your H1 style ladder rack like we have on here. You also have one for the J series or the H2 style ladder racks. And then they're gonna give you kind of this universal drill through kit where if you have some other ladder rack, you can actually drill a hole through your crossbar and attach it that way. Now you can also get this conduit carrier with just the caps. They're gonna send you a cap like this and an end cap. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go out to your hardware store and you're gonna buy some 6-inch PVC. You're gonna attach your end caps, gives you all the hardware needed to attach the end caps. And it's also gonna give you hardware for attaching that tube to your crossbars or to your ladder rack. Again, that way you can make the conduit carrier as long or as short as you need. Also keep it pretty inexpensive because we're not having to ship a big long tube to you through UPS or FedEx. Now as you can see, our end cap here does have a little hasp here so you can put your lock in place and then it opens up easily and you can get access to everything that you need inside the conduit carrier. There is a little rubber seal right here in the cap that's going to keep out moisture and things like that. And this is an all aluminum product, so this part is not going to rust or anything like that. Now, if you do opt to get the full compartment tube like we have here, that's also made out of aluminum. You can get it in black, silver, or white. Again, it's going to give you that rust-free, corrosion-free experience with the conduit carrier on your ladder rack. Like I mentioned, the aluminum conduit carrier you get from Vantech is a 2 to 4 compartment. They give you little extruded pieces of aluminum that you can slide into the tube to make it a 3 or 4 compartment kit, or you can leave it open. It's going to be a 2 compartment conduit carrier. Now, if you're looking for this conduit carrier, the H1 ladder rack, or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.